Welcome back, makers! Holiday planning is officially on, and we have you covered with this adorable quilted stocking. Featuring Adventale, our latest fabric collection by Katarina Roccella. Adventale is a heartwarming collection celebrating family and togetherness, bringing the season spirit to life for your holiday and sewing projects. We're making these stockings extra special by using the Jingle All the Letters panel from the collection. Materials and fabric requirements are available below in the video's description. Let's get started! We are using our stocking templates, which can also be found in the description below. You'll need one piece each of templates 1 and 2 in Twinkle Little Stars Ruby as the outer fabric. One piece each of templates 1 and 2 in Hibiscus from our Pure Solids for lining. 4 pieces of template 3 and one 4 by 1.5 rectangle in Yuletide Bitsies. Now for the fun part. Pick your initial from the gorgeous Jingle All the Letters panel to personalize your stocking. Cut around your letter, leaving about 1/4 of an inch of space all the way around the design. Take 2 pieces of template 3 along with 1 piece each of templates 1 and 2 of the outer fabric. Mark your quilting lines with a fabric pen for easier guides. Place your fabric pieces on top of the batting for quilting. If you're a beginner, using a larger piece of batting can make it easier to hold and guide through the machine. Once all of your quilting is done, trim around each piece using scissors or a rotary cutter. Place quilted templates 1 and 2 right sides together and pin all around. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance along the edges. Turn right side out. Take your lining fabric pieces for templates 1 and 2. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance along the edges. Take the sewn lining and insert it inside the quilted piece. Matching up the side seams, place pins all around to hold. Sew all around with an 1/8 of an inch seam allowance to secure both pieces together. Take one quilted template 3 piece and fold it in half. Take your letter and place it on the center of the piece, aligning at the top on the folded edge. Adjust your letter so it's 3/8 of an inch above the bottom edge. Sew all around with a decorative stitch on your machine or hand sewing. Take the rectangle piece and fold it in half lengthwise to make a crease. Fold the top and bottom edge towards the center crease and top stitch along the edge to close. Take the quilted piece with the letter and fold again. Folding the strip we just made in half, place it facing inwards, 1/2 an inch below the top's edge. Clip in place, and sew with an 1/8 of an inch seam allowance to secure. Now our hanging loop is attached. Place both quilted pieces right sides together and sew at the sides with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Turn piece right side out. Take the 2 remaining template 3 pieces and place right sides together. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance at the sides. Take the quilted piece and insert it inside the sewn lining so they are right sides touching. Match at the side seams and pin in place. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance all around. Once sewn, turn right side out and insert the lining inside the quilted piece. Match and pin the side seams all around. Sew with an 1/8 of an inch seam allowance all around to secure both pieces. And now our top piece is ready. Taking the stocking piece and making sure the tip is pointing to the right side, insert the stocking inside the top piece. Match the side seams on each side and place clips all around to hold. Remember to make sure the stocking is pointing to the right side. Sew all around with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Pull the top portion upwards and fold down to reveal the gorgeous panel letter. Your Adventale stocking is ready for the holidays. Have fun with more fabrics from the collection, making more of these cute and easy holiday stockings for all your friends and family. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel for more sewing inspiration. Until next time, happy sewing!